Defining desert living, a fast look at great design brought to you by azarchitecture.com. I'm Scott Jarson. This authentic Santa Fe Pueblo Revival compound, true adobe-style architecture on a rare 2-acre Paradise Valley legacy estate, is just steps from the historic Hermosa Inn. This gated compound includes 2 separate homes, casita, pool, rooftop viewing deck, and spectacular car barn, all perfectly crafted to become one with this view site. These homes were designed by master builder Dan MacBeth, a consultant on the Hermosa Inn renovation and a true master of adobe detailing. MacBeth developed a custom masonry technique that recreates hand-formed irregularity and texture of historic adobe walls. A private 2-acre desert compound, sweeping camelback and praying monk views, dual adobe-style residences, parking for 8 vehicles including luxury RV-ready garage. This is Paradise Valley legacy living. This isn't just a home, this is heritage, craftsmanship, and Paradise Valley at its most authentic. For AZ Architecture, Jarson & Jarson Real Estate, I'm Scott Jarson. See more of this home at azarchitecture.com, and thanks for stopping by.